We have an opportunity to be part of something bigger. The world has changed, and society's ability to be heard has never been stronger. Our communities expect the organisations we are a part of to integrate values and environmental stewardship in everything we do. Success means so much more when there is someone to share it with. We believe in being a good neighbour, and it's important to us to give back to those making a difference in our community. This connection gives us something to be proud of, a sense of accomplishment, and the satisfaction that the work we do is making a difference. We're a group of committed community members who care about our home, our people, and our future. And as we grow, it is our responsibility to ensure we never lose sight of who we are and all that we stand for. We are more than just an airport. We are an integral thread in an incredibly rich world of storytelling. We are the gateway to this amazing landscape, the directors of first impressions, the humble hosts who greet our guests, proudly representing our people, the land, and everything that calls it home. We are committed to giving back and dedicated to putting in, because caring isn't just a gesture, it's in our nature.